Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5094126 on your Windows 11 computer. To fix it, the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update service. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will rename software distribution folder. Now run the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now this will start Windows Update service once again, and then you can run the last command. This will create new software distribution folder, and once this is done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, the next step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and let the update install. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. All these commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5094126 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer, run command. Here you can see version 25H2 in my case, and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option over here, and over here you can see 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5094126 over here. I don't know why it's not loading. I'm facing some problem. I don't know why, but when you click on it, you should be able to see 5094126. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now by default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.